unboxing time. So, bubuksan ko yung mga pinadala sa akin from the Philippines. So, pinasuyo ko lang. Here are the items. So, let's open it. So, ito siya. Kakakuha ko lang. Not much, but may essentials. Mga pinasuyo ko from my mom. So, number 1. It's my clear book with my mass pieces, which I can use for church. What else? Yay! Mango pencil! Kasi hindi maganda yung pencils dito. So, finally, got my mango pencils. And some more my glasses. Kasi nakaka-dry yung coldness dito. And then, another shades. Yay! Sobrang fan ko ng Human Nature na lip balm. The peppermint. Ta-da! Yan. Peppermint. Perfect. Thanks, Mom. What else? Ooh, sunnies. Mamaya natin bubuksan yan. Parang alam ko na yan. Oh my God! Yes! Hindi na ako gagamit ng carton. It's here. I have a neat tripod. Camera keys. My charger. Yes, I need these adapters. Yung ganito. Yan. Wala kasi dito eh. Walang universal adapter. And of course, yeah, some docks. Ooh! Ah! Dried fish. And some banana crackers. Yes. So basically, that's it. Mga pinasuyo. Yun, so far, what I can share for this week. Kasi medyo busy ngayon sa school and sa work. But so far, that's it. The unboxing of padalas from the Philippines. Thank you!